Spotify. Oh my God. Tignan nyo itong si Biyenan. Mga sing-sing niya. Mga earrings.
Because you used to play with the caterpillar, and I kept telling you, don't do it. Because you said,
No, Hobbs like try to jump here and then...
Because you used to drag something. Oh, hon, who are you kidding?
Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon, we are going running to clean up the house. I'll leave it here. I'll do it. You stay here. You mow and mooning.
I'm mooning, yeah. Okay. I know, it looks good, right?
It's nice. It's nice, hon. It's my job. I did a good job.
No bagging, nothing.
No bagging. It's just we use that like grinding.
Grind them up, turn them to dust.
Yeah.
But you gotta go over them really slow, that's all.
Yeah.
If you go over them too fast, you're not doing it. Well, it looks good for now.
Yeah.
You got some more leaves come down, and I couldn't get all the ones really close to the rock. I should have gone there with the blower and blew them out to the middle.
Good morning. We are running and I bring some peanut. I know it's not good for Tommy and for me, but you know what? Sometimes it's nice to snacks. You know, and that's why I don't bring the whole container because Tommy, he won't stop, guys. He won't stop.
But notice, I'm not the one who brought them, okay? Just keep that in mind, guys.
You buy it.
And?
Kakaalis lang namin sa bahay. Han, did we forget something, Han?
What did we forget?
Hold on. Do you have the wrapping thing on the back, right?
Should be in the trunk.
Okay.
Aren't you whiny?
Because a knife, honey,
Whiny.
knife.
Well, it's not my fault you cut yourself every time you touch something sharp.
Yeah, whatever.
Burn yourself every time you touch something hot. I mean, really, what the heck?
Welcome to our life.
Stupidity comes in small packages.
You know what, Han?
Who's the small package? I have accident.
Honey! You're doing it. Han, I'm half tank, Han. I'm still good, right?
You have what?
Half. Not even, almost half.
Have what?
Oh, a gas. I'm still good. I'm not stopping. I drive like this when bringing mom to the dialysis. Guys, andito na kami sa Taco Bell. Just like you want Taco Bell, that's it. That's why.
Tell them who suggested it.
You said it
Who
a long
suggested
time ago.
No, who suggested it today? Oh, we'll go and stop at Taco Bell first. Yeah, okay.
So ngayon, Taco Bell muna tayo. Kasi 11:30 na. Malapit na tayo sa bahay, guys. Mga 10 minutes drive. Anyway, told you, right? Nagdala ako ng ano man eh. Pagkatapos nito, continue lang tayo. Pagdating natin sa bahay, guys, mag-ano lang kayo kung time lapse ko lang siya kasi ano kailangan kong tapusin. Hindi man tapusin. I don't know kung saan ako mag-start. I think sa kitchen. Mag-start ako sa kitchen kasi yun lang yung magawa ko eh. Hindi ako makagawa ng mga kung ano-ano kasi si Tammy mostly dapat saka mga kapatid. So ano lang ako para mga simpleng bagay. For example, that area, the kitchen. Ipapack ko sila. And then, hindi ko i-pack yung mga, for example, may mga coffee maker, mga ganon, mga paper plate, mga coffee cup, yun, coffee mug. Kasi kapag may tao, gagamitin nila doon. So, ano lang tayo, linis-linis muna tayo, mga papel, mga etc. dyan. Oh my God. I said I just need two.
You what?
What is forever? What's wrong?
They slow? Yeah, I need that though.
Oh,
Come on.
Don't give it to me. It's like you said you like it, so. You always have a reason. No, I don't want cinnamon. You always have a reason now. You like it even though you like it.
Sauce with it?
No. What kind of sauce?
Hot sauce or mild sauce?
Why is this sloppy? Look at this. This is the thing about them. I like the up there. Look at this. They cannot even do properly. Look. It's open up already. Another packing there. Packing. Hirap mag-impake guys na ano yung hindi mo alam kung what are you doing? Hirap mag-impake ng mga gamit na hindi mo alam kung anong gawin. Ito na naman yan kay Biyenan to. Mga magasin, mga anik. Ito yung mga kinikip niya. Anik. Si Tami, ito guys, kinikip niya guys, oh. Tami, keep this. I don't know. This Susie, want to throw this out. What's the name of this? What's the name?
These are albums.
Album? Album is different. Picture is album.
These are not on either.
Oh my god, mga... Oh my god. Why?
I'm sorry, we don't have any firehouse.
This is old.
Jeez, what am I thinking? No firehouse.
Firehouse my ass.
That's what I say. Firehouse my ass.
I know mga ano yan guys, yung mga ganon, bumabalik na yung mga ganong style, pero meron tayong mga Spotify, you know. Spotify. Oh my god. Tignan nyo itong si Biyenan. Mga sing-sing niya. Mga earrings. Mom have earrings and rings. There is a nice earrings here.
Show it to me, I'll tell you.
This one, these earrings look like nice. Kasi merong mga ano pa si Biyenan, andun sa bahay. Nililista kung anong meron para hindi you know, para malaman kung ano to. Uy, Han!
What?
A watch. A watch in the box. It's a alarm clock.
Oh, it's a clock.
It's a clock. Look. It's an alarm. Siya, nag-impake ako, naglilinis.
Tape on the bottom.
Ha?
That's why I put so much tape on the bottom of it.
Okay. Sometimes you have to check mom's socks, even it's dirty. because she used to hide some jewelry. She used to hide some jewelers in the socks, guys. Like, it's nice jewelry. Oh, halahan, this is the ring that I really like also, and you got it for her. Look, it's here, honey. This is go with the necklace and the earring.
It's a chocolate diamond?
Yeah.
Really?
It's right here.
She loved that thing, right?
Yes, she does. She loved that. She loved this. Tammy got a ring, a necklace, and an earring.
Little chocolate diamond.
Chocolate diamond. It's like, yeah. And another ring. This one is probably. It's in the middle. Look guys. She have a ton of jewelry. My goodness. And of course she have a. How do you call this Catholic, guys? Rosary.
The process of gaining legal status here as a citizen in the United States, while also making sure people who cross our
Mga malalaking plato. We don't have China cabinet, so I'm stuck. Hello, what's that? The coffee grinder never even opened. Diba? A pot? Flower pot? Flower pot? No, this is like spices. Yes, hon. In the regular store, that in the Philippines, this is very popular. You know why? You can put like pasta here because the mice cannot get in here. You hang it. Nakita ko na yung ano guys, fryer na Tommy bought me. Binili ni Tommy. And it's right here. He hide it up there. Like over there. Nilagay niya doon. And then I cannot even reach. I cannot even find it. Look. Look at his face. He guys, he doesn't like me over here cleaning. He is like bitchy. Anyway guys, so for now, yung mga cabinet sa kitchen, konti na lang yung anuhin ko. Dito na naman tayo, Ginoo ko Lord. Marami pa dyan guys, hindi pa yan tapos. Pero as long as slowly, yung mga cabinet, ang dami pa dito Well actually, nilagay na ni Tamin, nandun na yung iba sa nandun na yung iba sa sasakyan. Ano to? Gusto ko to. Ano to? Ask Tommy, what is that for? May something pa rin doon sa ibabaw. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. And, ang dito sa dining, wala namang masyadong Ito na lang yung mga ni Biyenan. Dito, mga kaunting lang ito guys. Mabilis na ito. Mabilis. Ang pinaka talaga is yung mga kwarto. At saka yung sa basement. Yun yung pinaka alam na. And, tingnan nyo yung basura. Yun yung itatapon. Itong chandelier. Gusto ko na itong ma-transfer sa bahay. Han! Can I ask you, when do you think we're moving this and move the old one here? Just...
When I can.
Huh?
When I can.
Hey, I found something over. Maybe that's connected to that.
That's the file up there.
No.
That little one goes to that one over there.
Wait, over there, up there? Okay. It's crystal, guys. We try to move this probably. Nasira, guys, Si Hubs man ito. Si Hubs. Ganito si Hubs. Massage chair. Ilagay ito sa bahay. Pero mabigat. Let's see kung pwede ba itong sa ilalim. Ay, screw guys, Matanggal siya, masiparate. You can unscrew in under.
What?
You can screw under to get rid of that. Yes, I just did. Did you remember that? Did you forget?
Part, huh?
When you buy just like this?
Yes.
So how did you carry it over here and give it to Mom?
Me and Sue. Did you try and lift it?
I've been sitting this thing forever. The only problem with this, a lot of scratches.
Because you used to play with the caterpillar, and I kept telling you, don't do it. Because you said,
No, Habs, like, try to jump here and then...
Because you used to drag something. Oh, hon, who are you kidding? Like, that didn't happen.
It happened, but Habs really ruined it, not me.
I know, because you got used to doing that.
No,
He did.
he climbed over there and sleep and...
Uh-huh.
Everything is my fault.
To do with it.
What is wrong with you?
What?
Why you always blame me? Put this in the cabinet over there.
Blame you because it's true.
To your cabinet that live here.
It's true. That's what I tell you.
You know what, honey? You're so drama.
Truth will set you free. Try it sometime.
Okay, what else need to be done? Because we're still early here. That's a key holder. Ang dami pang ano hindi to guys eh. Hindi ko alam basta grabe. Hindi ko na alam. That one I need that shredder though. When I come back here, I'm gonna bring the other vacuum, the old one. Ang daming mga pagkain, mga inanik-anik. Kaloka talaga. Anyway, so pauwi na kami kasi si Tami gusto nang umuwi. Nakakaloka. Nagmamadali. Ganyan yan siya, guys.
Oh, no bird yet, but a squirrel.
Huh?
No bird yet, but a squirrel came right over.
Of course. Oh my god, that's a fat squirrel again. This is not good. They just keep coming back.
Everything imaginable, even the specter maybe of Joe Biden on drug-free with
It's traffic already starting na guys sa highway oh. Yung highway is nandito lang, makikita ko lang siya dito. Yung traffic nag-start na siya. What kind of bridge is this?
I don't know.
It's a lift-up bridge?
I think it's going to be for people coming onto this street, coming up the highway. So they don't have to sit in this one.
The coronavirus is surging in countries around the world. Russia today reporting a new daily high in the number of COVID-19 infections.
Malapit na kami sa bahay. Sumakit ulo ko eh. So ngayon, naghanap kami ng ano, kasi Thanksgiving na this coming Thursday. And we don't feel like cooking, you know. It's just the two of us. We don't feel like making some, you know, the whole turkey thingy. So baka merong or pa-order online. What the heck is this car? Kasi gusto kong bumili ng ano, kung wala man lang, kung wala kang makita online na ganon, ano na lang, bibilitan na lang kami ng ano, paa ng turkey. Kasi mas prepare ko yung ano, dark meat ng turkey kaysa white meat. Yung dark meat masarap siya with gravy and stuff and mashed potato. Masarap. Roxy's whining. Look at my husband, guys. A lot of wires. We're gonna get this stuff later on, guys, or maybe tomorrow. Misty, you have something in your mouth. What's in your mouth? Come here, show me. Come here, show me. Hi, Rock. Come here. Put that bone down. Misty, I want that bone down. Put that bone down. Put the bone down. Misty, come here. Come here, let's go. Give me that bone. You cannot carry. Hey, you cannot carry the bone. Akala nila ibigay ko. Okay, let's go. It's not here with me. Let's go. Hi guys. I guess i-end ko na tong vlog. Mag-in tayo ng vlog ng maaga guys dahil sakit ng ulo ko guys. Hilong-hilo ako kanina pa to sa pagdadrive ko. Hilo-hilo. Nahilo ako. Sa ano? Sa, alam nyo na yung isa. Hindi na tayo magtagal kasi gusto ko lang magpahinga din guys. Katatapos ko lang din tika itong light ay sobrang ano, tika muna ha. Pahinga tayo ng maaga, pasensya na guys, na ano ako kanina, napagod ako sa kakaano doon, and then alam nyo naman itong isa, kapag andun sa isang bahay na sa loob siya nag-hit ng ano niya, so hilong-hilo ako, sabi ko. And then nag-i-edit ako, gumagawa lang ako din ng thumbnail. So 5:10 na ng gabi. And, iin natin itong vlog early. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Come here, Rox. Say bye-bye. Say hi, bye-bye to them. Say hi, bye-bye. Look at that. Misty, come. Come here, good girl. Come here. Kailangan bibibihon. Come here. Kasi si Misty, mahirap pakainin. Say good night, Han. We're gonna end the vlog early, Han. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Good night. We're gonna end. What is this over here, huh? Good night. Good night, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.